Needs of cell division. With reference to unicellular organisms to maintain population size and existence on Earth. With reference to multicellular organisms to gain multicellularity. To produce spores and gametes during asexual and sexual reproduction. To heal injury. To replace old, dead, worn out cells, that is regeneration of cells. Causes of cell division. Disturbance in Kern cytoplasmic ratio or nucleocytoplasmic ratio or nucleoplasm cytoplasm ratio of the cell. Disturbance in surface area volume ratio of the cell. Mitogens, that is mitosis or cell division promoting substances. Auxin, cytokinin, gibberellin, insulin, leukocynes, platelet dependent factor. Mitotic poisons, that is mitosis or cell division inhibiting substances. Azide, cyanide, mustard gas, chylons, colchicine, ribonucleases. Phases in cell cycle. Two main phases. I phase, also called interphase, also called preparatory phase, also called energy rich phase, also called resting phase, also called growth phase. Metabolically most active phase consume 95% of total cell cycle. M phase, also called mitotic phase, also called division phase. Actual division of cell occurs. Most dramatic phase consumes 5% time of total cell cycle. Cell cycle given by Howard and Pele 1953 completes in two main phases: interphase, mitotic phase. Interphase completes in three sub-phases: gap 1 phase, that is G1 phase; synthesis phase, that is S phase; gap 2 phase, that is G2 phase. Mitotic phase completes in two main steps: karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus; cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus, completes in four sub-steps: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm, in animal cell occurs through cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. It occurs in centripetal manner. In plant cell, cytokinesis occurs in cell plate method. Through cell plate method, it occurs in centrifugal manner. G1 phase, also called gap 1 phase, also called post mitotic phase, also called pre-S phase, also called pre-replicating phase. S phase, also called synthesis phase, also called replicating phase, also called post G1 phase, also called pre-G2 phase. G2 phase, also called gap 2 phase, post S phase, post replicating phase, also called pre-M phase. M phase, also called post G2 phase, also called pre-G1 phase. Karyokinesis, also called D phase. Cytokinesis, also called C phase. Cell cycle. Human cell takes 24 hours to complete cell cycle. G1 phase 10 hours, S phase 9 hours, G2 phase 4 hours, M phase 1 hour. 23 hours in interphase I phase. Bacteria cell takes 20 minutes, yeast cell takes 90 minutes, onion cell takes 20 hours to complete the cell cycle. Cell cycle given by Howard and Pele in 1953. Two main phases: interphase, that is I phase; mitotic phase, that is M phase. Interphase completes into three sub phases: G1 phase, gap 1 phase, S phase, synthesis phase, G2 phase, gap 2 phase. Mitotic phase completes in two main steps: karyokinesis, that is division of nucleus, cytokinesis, that is division of cytoplasm. Karyokinesis has 4 substeps: prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. Cytokinesis in animal cell occurs by cell furrow or cleavage furrow method. Cytokinesis in plant cell occur by cell plate method. Definition of cell cycle: genetically and hormonally controlled, orderly, coordinated series of events in which pre-existing mother cell prepares itself by increasing cytoplasm, doubling the cell organelles, synthesizes new compounds, ATP, etc., replicating its genome, that is DNA, and finally divides into new daughter cells, distributing the preparations equally. Events during G1 phase, that is first growth phase: maximum cell growth occurs, cytoplasm increases, all biomolecules synthesized and stored, ribosome RNase ATP synthesis occurs, RNA polymerase is active, DNA polymerase is inactive, non-histone chromosomal NHC proteins synthesized, but histone protein synthesis is absent. Most of cell organelles doubling occur except centriole, Golgi body, mitochondria, and plastids. Events during synthesis or S phase: chromosomes replicate, DNA acts as template to form carbon copies, newly formed chromatin attached in pairs, number of chromosomes do not increase, that is 1n remain 1n and 2n remain 2n, but amount of DNA increases from 1c to 2c for haploid cells and 2c to 4c for diploid cells. Each chromosome has 2 chromatin threads. S phase, also called invisible phase. Centrosome and centriole divide or replicate to form 2 centrosomes or centriole pairs. Events during GAP2 or G2 phase: RNase proteins synthesis continues, tubulin protein synthesis occurs, doubling of cell organelles like Golgi body, mitochondria, and plastids occur, cell growth continues, mitochondria and plastids divide by binary fission, tubulin proteins involved in spindle fiber formation, cell shows maximum growth. In G1 phase, synthesis of RNase, proteins, ATP, and non-histone chromosomal, that is NHC proteins occur. In S phase, synthesis of RNase, ATP, proteins, and both histone and non-histone chromosomal proteins occur. In G2 phase, synthesis of RNase, ATP, proteins, and non-histone chromosomal proteins occur. Quiescent phase, G0 phase, represents a stage of inactivation of cell cycle due to absence of mitogens and ATP. Cells remain metabolically active but do not proliferate or divide unless called on to do so. Cells exit from cell cycle. Cells show structural and functional differentiation. Mother cell, G1 to S, committed to complete cell cycle. G1 to G0, exit from cell cycle, temporary or permanently cell will not divide, cell gets differentiated. G1 to G0, G1S, G2M. Differentiated cell shows cell division. G1S, G2M. Meristematic cell remain present in continuous stage of cell cycle. Cell G1S, G2M represent primary meristematic cells like root apical meristem and shoot apical meristem and stem cell. G1 to G0 process called differentiation. Cells called differentiated cells, for example parenchyma, collenchyma, sclerenchyma, cells of xylem and phloem. G1, G0, G1S, the process called dedifferentiation. Differentiated cells gain ability to divide, called dedifferentiated cells, also called secondary meristem, for example interfascicular cambium and cork cambium. Regulation of cell cycle. Cyclin dependent kinase enzyme, CDK enzyme, with the help of cyclin protein controls transition from one phase to next phase. Cyclin proteins are of two types. G1 cyclin helps in transition from G1 to S. M cyclin helps in transition from G2 to M. There are two checkpoints. G1S checkpoint represent major checkpoint. G1 CDK complex help in G1S transition. G2M checkpoint represent minor checkpoint. M CDK complex helps in transition from G to M.